This is 1 year in review for the Subaru EA 190V pressure washer. It turns even the most ordinary person into the most expert dick drawer. Also, because we make huge ass messes everywhere, we use it. Get out of the way, Noah. You're in the fucking shot. We use it to clean concrete out of grease. Grease out of concrete, not concrete out of grease. And some oil spills on the driveway. And we're gonna, see, don't use it too good though, because it takes paint off the driveway. Whoever retard painted the driveway. But anyways, we're gonna wash this dirt away and then wash the grease off the concrete, and you can see how good it works. It's got a very easy to operate electric start. We already had it pre-warm, so you just put it on the run position. It's totally whisper quiet too. So now that you've seen how it cleans the dicks away, so sad, we already missed them, is overall love the machine. We don't know how we worked before it, or at least cleaned up before it. Definitely saves a lot of time. Huge soap tank that we use quite frequently. Burns through gas pretty good. Definitely could be a little more economic on the fuel. We probably burn through 20 or 30 tanks with it. We use it nearly every day. Only thing that we've had a problem with is we burn through the original pressure hose because we're idiots. Really, oh, you dick. Because we burned through the original pressure hose because it was on the exhaust. And we just picked a new one up at Home Depot for $20 or some shit. But anyways, yeah, buy it or don't. I don't give a fuck.